Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by securing your data and creating recovery media. This prevents loss and gives a rollback path. Once you've backed up, plug in an 8 GB USB and run the media creation tool to build recovery media. Make sure you know an administrator password so you can authenticate repairs. Next, restart into safe mode using Shift plus Restart or F8 if available. This isolates the OS and prevents third-party drivers from interfering, which makes the next step safer and faster. You now diagnose with built-in tools to repair system integrity. First, open an elevated PowerShell or command prompt and run sfc/scano to detect and repair corrupted system files. This often fixes boot and stability issues. If SFC reports irreparable errors, run dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health to download fresh components and repair the Windows image. Make sure to review Event Viewer and Device Manager for driver conflicts. Update or roll back drivers as needed, because bad drivers commonly cause recurrence. You finish by applying updates and validating stability. Run Windows Update and optional driver updates, then restart twice to ensure services reinitialize correctly. If issues persist, boot from your recovery USB and select Reset this PC or perform an in-place repair install to preserve files while reinstalling Windows. Make sure to test fixes in safe mode with networking before a full reboot. This helps confirm the fault is resolved without reintroducing problematic drivers or apps. If stuck, note exact error messages for targeted help.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.